Welcome to the Wealthify Robo-advisor for Investing Review. Usage Experience. Links to Wealthify are included in the description below. Wealthify is a UK-based robo-advisor designed to make investing simple, affordable, and accessible for everyone. It's an excellent option for beginners who want to start building their wealth without needing prior investment knowledge or those looking for a low-cost, hands-off approach to investing. Wealthify stands out with its simple account setup and low entry barrier, requiring just £1 to get started. Once you've created an account, the platform guides you through a short questionnaire to assess your risk appetite and financial goals. Based on your answers, Wealthify constructs a diversified portfolio tailored to your preferences. You can choose between two main portfolio types: Original, which uses traditional ETFs and index funds, and Ethical, which focuses on sustainable investments for those who prioritize socially responsible investing. The management fees are transparent and competitive, starting at 0.6% annually, with additional fund fees averaging around 0.22%. These fees include automatic portfolio rebalancing to keep your investments aligned with your goals, ensuring you don't have to monitor the markets or make manual adjustments. Wealthify's straightforward app and desktop interface provide a clear view of your portfolio's performance, contributions, and fees, making it easy to stay informed without feeling overwhelmed. One of Wealthify's strengths is its accessibility for investors with limited capital or experience. It's ideal for individuals who are new to investing and prefer to avoid the complexity of picking individual stocks or managing their portfolios. However, advanced investors may find the lack of customization or additional tools somewhat limiting. In summary, Wealthify is perfect for those who value simplicity, affordability, and a hands-off investment experience. Whether you're looking to start small or want an ethical investment option, Wealthify offers a reliable platform to grow your wealth over time. If you're ready to explore what Wealthify can do for you, check out the links in the description to get started today.